Tropical storm Idalia is near the coast of Cuba and gaining strength.
It's on a potential track to come ashore in Florida as a Category 3 hurricane.
We start our team coverage this morning with meteorologist Troy Bridges.
Yeah, you see that center of circulation as we're about to show it to you. Not very well organized yet, but it is getting organized as it's moving into very warm waters. Now, it will interact with land a little bit here in western Cuba, but not enough to break it apart. As it moves to the north, the official track as of this is the 8 a.m. advisory. The track came out at 5 o'clock. We'll get a new track at 11 this morning, but the track hasn't changed much since what we saw last night, except for the intensity. If you didn't know, this is going to be a major Category 3 hurricane as it moves into waters that will be jet fuel because these water temperatures are near 90 degrees. Then makes landfall sometime early in the morning on Wednesday between Tampa Bay and the Big Bend of Florida. Now, you can't look at that middle line here, that red line, because anywhere within the cone, the thing could go. If it moves farther to the east, closer to this white line here, then we would have many more impacts across central Florida, possibly the chance for some hurricane force winds, even in Orange County. For now, it looks like mostly tropical storm force winds in those regions. Candace is up next to talk more about that, but I do want to show you our wind radii. This gives you the timing for some of that strong wind. By 2 in the morning on Wednesday, so again, not tomorrow morning, but Wednesday morning, we'll begin to see those tropical storm force winds moving into Lake, Sumter and Marion counties, and then notice all of central Florida experiencing tropical storm force winds. That's 40 miles per hour or greater, moving in by 5 in the morning on Wednesday, with hurricane force winds approaching and then moving into Marion County, Western Marion, I think even Sumter County by 8 in the morning on Wednesday. Now, if this does shift farther off to the east, and that will bring the chance for more of those hurricane force winds and be a bigger factor for a larger part of central Florida. Again, the timing comes late Tuesday with some rain, but Wednesday through the day. Let's go over to meteorologist Candace Campos with more on these watches and warnings in effect. So far, no warnings, but we do have those watches.
Right, and the watches just mean that conditions are going to deteriorate within the next 36 to 48 hours, which is why we're stressing this is going to be more of a very late Tuesday night, primarily a Wednesday event. So watches and warnings as of now, everyone's under a watch. Tropical storm watch for everyone from Seminole, Orange, Osceola, and Lake and Polk County, where we have a hurricane watch for areas further towards the west. So that includes you guys in central and western Marion County and all of Sumter County, of course, all other counties up and down the west coast of Florida. So what can we expect when it comes to actual impacts? We've been getting a lot of messages and questions asking about this. So for Marion, Lake, and Sumter, you guys will have, as of now, according to the latest track, will have more of the highest threat for hurricane force winds. So we're talking 74 mile per hour winds or higher. Of course, we are watching a potential Category 3 storm making landfall by Wednesday morning. So of course, we're talking winds could get even stronger. We'll have a better idea as we start getting more of the modeling coming in. Rainfall about 3 to 4 inches. Isolated tornado risk. We are going to be on that dirtier side of the storm, that right side where we tend to start seeing a lot of those quick spin-ups along those feeder bands. So the threat for tornadoes is not just along the track, but areas outward, as this is a relatively large system still. As it starts gaining more strength, it will tighten up a little bit. So you can see here, Orange and Seminole County, winds upwards about 40 mile per hour gusts, 1 to 3 inches of rainfall still. Doesn't look like this is going to be the biggest rain event of a storm, but still, we could be packing a lot of rain in a short amount of time. That tornado threat also an isolated risk. For you guys in Osceola and Polk County, still a low threat for tornadoes, still plenty of rain in the forecast. And I do want to also talk about, just like Nicole was not a big Atlantic storm, but it did make a mess up and down our beaches. We have a lot of areas still picking up a lot of the beach erosion and the coastal issues from back-to-back hurricanes last season. When we're looking at coastal concerns, we're talking 1 to 2 foot storm surge potentially. Beach erosion still a big threat, as the potential of Idalia moving over the state of Florida back out into the Atlantic. Wraparound waves will be a concern for you guys, especially in Flagler and Volusia County. We will be pinpointing more on your full 7-day forecast coming up in just a little bit. But now let's toss it back to you ladies at the desk.